So, mag-vlog din natin ito to no 660. But first, let's vlog about this motorcycle right here. And ang ganda nito motorcycle na to kasi to be quite honest, if we're going to check, the color scheme, it's mixed with different colors. But I started to love a color purple, yung ganyan na kulay, because of my son. And vlog natin ito motorcycle na to kasi marami tayong mapag-uusapan dito sa motorcycle na to. And para sa akin, isa to sa pinakasulit na Italian bike na mabibili mo dito sa Pilipinas. We're going to mention everything, the weight, the performance and everything. Napaka-competitive niya. Sa tingin ko, underrated to motorcycle na to. And this is the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. Napakaganda nito motorcycle na to. But before anything else, let's give it a proper gear roll. To be quite honest, di ko talaga na-appreciate yung kanyang design back then. But right now, mas na-appreciate ko. It brings out some lively colors and I like it. It has some dark ones as well. Pero I love the way it's mixed with different colors like red, meron siyang silver, meron siyang purple, and I like the way it looks. If we're going to check, ang ganda. Very uniquely done and unique styling kumbaga pagdating kay Aprilia. The front side, it's having one of the best looking front side if you're going to ask me, and it's big, it's large, it's massive if you're going to check. And this is my hand right here. Ayan o, malaki talaga siya, and it has some winglets and some air ducts on the front side. I like the way it looks. Ang ganda ng itsura niya. The paint job on the black, it's beautifully done. On this part sa kanyang tangke, it's beautifully done as well. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa on this part right here as well. Ang ganda rin ng pagkakagawa. And check it out, oh. The seat on the other hand, isa siya sa pinakamanipis na seat. And this is what I've noticed. Ito po yung kanyang pillion seat. Yan lang talaga. And paano kaya makakaupo? Kailangan sigurong tanggalin to kasi may pillion peg siya. Ayan, may pillion peg siya dito. Detachable naman to make the motorcycle lighter. The purple, I really love the purple on this motorcycle right here. Let's go on the other side and check it. Check natin. Be a racer palagi on this front fender. On this side right here, I love it as well. Meron siyang malaking exhaust on this part. Kung tignan mo, meron siyang Brembo disc brakes and Brembo master cylinder as well. Let's check the other side. Walang branding sa clutch. And the foot peg, ang ganda din ng pagkakagawa. Parang first time ko ata makakita ng ganitong type. The other side, ang ganda din. And liquid cooled, malaki yung kanyang radiator. Dual liquid cooling kumbaga. Sa front side, meron siyang inverted Öhlins front fork. Ang ganda. Ganda ng kulay. And you know me, I'm a sucker or I'm a fan of a golden fork. Another thing to add on the front suspension, naka-Öhlins nga siya, front and rear, and they're both electronically adjustable. Meron siyang 320mm disc brakes, which is quite nice. Ang rear niya is 220mm disc brake, and multi-map ABS din po siya makakita. Ang ganda ng wheels. The tires, naka-Jablo po siya, coming from Pirelli. And meron siyang 120/70/17 sa harapan. Meron siyang 255/17 naman sa likuran. And napakatambok po ng kanyang tires. Before we mention the power, isa to sa pinakauna at saka pinaka-raw talaga na V4. It has a 65-degree V4 cylinder, 4-stroke po siya, liquid cooling, double overhead camshaft, and 4 valves per cylinder, so 16 all in all. Ang size ng kanyang engine, 1099cc. Meron siyang 217 stock horsepower and meron din siyang 125 Nm of torque. Naka 6-speed po siya with gear lever, Aprilia quick shift. Aside from its looks, very powerful tong motorsiklo na to, and meron siyang rider aids din, electronics din, and meron din siyang riding modes, so pwede mong pababaan yung power nito as you wish. Napaka-competitive na talaga nito. It's for pro, I believe so. Hindi to pang beginner o pang intermediate. And ang maganda sa kanya, isa din to sa pinakamagaan na motorsiklo. Meron siyang wet weight na 202 kilograms. It's not that bad. Meron siyang 17.9 liter gas capacity, and it can run about 15 to 19 km per liter. So, bites na yan for a liter bike. Ayan, para sa akin, aside from anything else, napaka-competitive nitong motorsiklo na to. It also competes with the pricing of the Ducati V4R or V4S. Depends on your preference. And also depends on which country you are, kasi may mga iba naman kasi na hindi nila nilalabas doon. I'm glad and I'm happy to see nakakita tayo ng dream bike, kumbaga. Liter bike, and it's one of the lightest liter bike na nakita ko dito sa Pilipinas. It's one of the most special as well, and nakakita na rin tayo kasi ng R1M, and this one looks different. Naka-all-in siya, very social, and ang presyo niya rin very social din, syempre. Para sa manonood ko or sa mga subscribers ko talaga na gustong-gusto talaga or trip na trip talaga makakita man lang ng mga ganitong motorsiklo. So yun mga kabibib, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this motorcycle. If you happen to like this video, give it a thumbs up. And that's it. Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying, trust the process, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.